Good morning here in Pensacola. Just put into the sound. We are going to fish Bob Sykes Bridge. See if we can get some black drum at the bridge. We got live shrimp with the Carolina rig. Got jig heads to throw some fish bites, Fight Club, and also got a popping cork to just float some shrimp behind us. So we are going to just head over to the bridge and get started over there, and maybe troll a shrimp along the way with the popping cork, see what happens. And I will get back with you as soon as the action starts. There we go. There we go. Oh, is he on there still? Is he on there? God, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, damn. What the hell? Golly. I don't know how I caught it. I don't know how I did that. That was the biggest cluster. I'm still wrapped around the end of my rod. Dang, that's a beauty. That is a beautiful trout. Holy cow. There we go. All right, he's loose. I still don't know how I got him. See how big he is. It's a nice one. All right, got him. Dang. 20, well, let's see. 19 inches. That's a beauty. All right, let this guy go. All right. There we go, got him. Finally, got something good. Dang, took a while. Are you kidding me? A giant porgy? It's all right, I'll take that. We'll eat that. That's a school of down there. Yeah, that's a good one. There we go. There we go. That's a big boy. That's bigger. What is that? What is that? Oh, yeah. There we go. Finally. I knew there were some reds down there. Not a big one, but it's a start. It's better than what I have caught so far. Stop it. Ouch. Son of a biscuit. Come on, stop it. There we go. There we go. All right. Nice red. Go ahead and let him go. Oh, got something. What do I got? Picked up one of those fish that was in that school. What in the? Oh, nice Spanish. Get him before he cuts me off. Oh gosh. Oh, God. That was a good Spanish too. What is that? Oh, it's a good jack, I think. More shark bait. Yep, he's acting like a jack. Yep. All right. Getting some bait. What in the... Oh, I see. All right. All right. At least we're starting to catch something. More bait. More shark bait. All right. Okay, here we go. We're on. We're on. Something good. Something really good. All right. What is that? Whoa. Yeah, that's big. All right, we got something real big. Oh boy. All right, we're gonna put the Beyond braid to a test here. That's for sure. Where's the net? He's hooked good. Oh, nice bull red. Oh, big black drum. Nice. Ha ha. That's what I was wanting to catch today. Yes. Yes. And it looks like there's plenty more around on the fish locator. Oh boy. Ah. Nice. All right, Beyond braid worked pretty good that time. All right, sweet. It's loose. Still not sure what got the previous one. Let's see how long he is. All right. Let's lay that slimy sucker down here. 25. Not bad. Big fatty. Ah. Oh yeah. Nice. Ah. All right. You good? Oh yeah, he's good. Sweet. I'm putting on the little micro jig. All right, maybe this will work. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Haha. But I can't. What am I? What's on there? He's swimming right to me. Oh yeah, nice little Spanish. Okay. Don't. Hey. Gotta watch those teeth. Oh yeah, okay. I think I can get bigger. I think I can get a bigger one than that. Okay, there we go. That's a better one. Yeah, that's a better one. All right, here we go. Swimming right to me. Oh. Come on. Where you at? Where you at? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, come on. Oh, don't dig, don't dig. Easy. There we go. That one's keeper for sure. Holy moly. How'd you get all four in there? Or all three trebles? It's impressive. Okay. Get this guy out of the way. Oh boy. Yep, there's some more. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh man. Where's he foul hooked? Or is that a really good one? Oh, jeez. Yeah, that's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Oh yes. That is a beauty. Nice Spanish. Whew. Hey, stop it. God, they're slippery. Slippery, slimy guys. It's a good one. All right. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's another good one. There we go. All right. Another fatty. Get in there. All right. Missed him. There we go. Got him. There we go. Oh.